For today's home tour, we have a luxurious freehold condo in District 10, which is less than 1 kilometer from Nanyang Primary. And the best part is, it is near to the MRT. I'm Adeline from AB Property. If you're wondering where am I standing currently, I'm on top of the Penthouse in Waterfall Garden. This project is a freehold project. It's located along Farrer Road in District 10. It has full condo facility such as barbecue pit, covered car park, playground, 24-hour security, tennis court, and a huge swimming pool. It has 132 units in total with 12 floors. The nearest MRT stations include Farrer Road MRT and Holland Village MRT station. The Empress Market is just down the street, while Holland Village is less than 5 minutes drive away from you to get your grocery and food. We are just 5 to 10 minutes drive away from Dempsey and Orchard Shopping Belt. For school-wise, Nanyang Primary is within 1 kilometer distance away from you, so if you have plans for future school registration, this address will be helpful to you. This penthouse consists of 4,392 square feet and spanning across 2 levels. Okay, there are separated family, dining and living area. So there is wet and dry kitchen. There are altogether 4 bedrooms with 6 bathrooms, and there is a swimming pool on top of the roof terrace, which is where I'm currently at now.
After 2 steps, I lost my balance. And you know, that's when the colors started to change.
This private lift lobby allows full privacy for you because when the lift door is open, no one can see the interior of your house. And take a look how spacious the whole space is. Can't imagine I have the freedom of designing the whole living room. What I like about this unit is that it comes with a full window panel from ceiling all the way to the floor, allowing natural light to enter into the living room. And over here, if you want, you can have an L-shaped sofa because usually the newer developments nowadays don't allow you to have this kind of luxurious space. And you can have a full 80-inch TV set over here if you want. And even after putting on all this furniture, you can even have a grand piano in this living room. So this way is to the kitchen and that way is to the bedroom. So what is so good about this layout is that the kitchen is separated from the bedroom. So if you are doing heavy cooking, your bedrooms will not smell. And as you can see, this is a vacant unit. It's a moving-in condition. So next up, I'll show you the dining area. So over here you can see this dining area is just right beside the dry kitchen. So if you are someone who loves to host or have young children, this will definitely suit you. There are natural light coming from here and there's also a powder room over here so that your guests will not enter into the bedroom and provides full privacy for you. I'm going to show you the wet kitchen. The wet kitchen is just right beside the dry kitchen, and if you are someone who loves to do heavy cooking, you can do it here. And at the back, there's a yard for you to do your laundry, and also a separated helper's room, plus a bomb shelter for your storage, and also a separated restroom for your helper. Okay, I'm going to show you the family area now. Come, let's take a look. So even though you have a huge living room, there's still a family area for you. So in this area, you can create multi-purpose usage. You can use it as your study room, your workstation, even an entertainment room. Or best, you can use it as a 5th bedroom if you want. And there's a secret pathway over here. If you are feeling hungry at night, you can actually use this to access to the kitchen instead of walking all the way around from the living room to the kitchen. Okay, I'm going to show you the bedrooms. There are 4 bedrooms in this unit, and it all comes with ensuite bathroom. Each bedroom are unique because it comes with high ceiling height. And you can see this is the first bedroom, the second one is over here, and the third one on my left, and the one behind is the master bedroom. Come, let me show you the master bedroom. Look at how spacious the whole space is. If you want to put a king-size bed over here, there's still space for you to put your side tables or a wardrobe. And over here, you can have a study table or a dressing table. Natural light can come in, so you can do your work over here or even do your makeup over here. Over here, there's a walk-in wardrobe area, and just right beside the walk-in wardrobe is the master bathroom. I'll show you the master bathroom. Come, you will love it. Okay, so this master bathroom gives you a luxurious 6-star hotel bathroom. There's a for his and for hers basin, a separated bathtub, and a standing shower over here. Wow, I would love to soak myself in this bathtub now. The last and yet the most exciting part will be the roof terrace. Come, let me show you where's the roof terrace. If you want some outdoor activities without stepping out of your house, this is the place for you. You can have your outdoor alfresco dining over here. There's also an outdoor barbecue pit and a water tap over here. Come, let's take a look. There's a private swimming pool just up here. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to schedule a viewing for this property, feel free to call us. Likewise, if you have any property looking to buy, sell, rent, do contact us. Like and subscribe our channel. I'm Adeline from AB Property. Your property, our priority. Hello everyone. Sorry. Hello everyone, I'm Adeline from AB Property. If you're wondering where am I standing, sorry. You're wondering where am I? 我开始 NG 啦。This is a freehold project along Mayor Road. 我刚才在想一个 project， 在 negotiate 啊，OK， sorry。